Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to swap values of two variables using C++ programming language. So first of all, let me create two variables. I'm going to create two variables of integer type as int x, and I'm going to assign value of 8 for this x, and I'm going to create another variable as y, and I'm going to assign 7 for that. So now I need to swap the value of these two variables, which is x and y. That means I need my x to hold whatever y holding now, and I need my y to hold whatever x holding now. So in order to do that, we have to create a temporary variable. So I'm going to create a temporary variable I'm going to name it as temp, and then I'm going to assign the value of x to that temp, right? And in the next step, as we know that now the x is free, that means it can hold something else. So I'm going to assign the value of y to that x, like this. And now we know that y is free. So I'm going to assign y whatever temp is holding now. That means it is actually the value which x was holding previously. So I'm going to do that like this, y equals temp. That means the value of temp will be assigned to y. Now we can see that these two values are swapped. So in order to check that, I'm going to output these two values. Out, C, X, red line, out, Y equals, and Y in the right. So let's run this program. Yes. Just see the output. Previously, x was 8 and y was 7. Now, those two has interchanged. That means x is now 7 and y is now 8. So, previously we saw how to swap values of two variables using a temporary variable. So now I'm going to tell you how to swap values of two variables without using a temporary variable. So in here, I'm going to state my first statement as this: x equals x plus y. This line, when we consider this line, this is somewhat mathematically incorrect, but in programming, it is valid. So why it is valid? Because it says that value of x plus value of y, the total will be assigned to the variable x. What is the value of x? It is 8. And what is the value of y now? It is 7. And the total will be 15. Okay, now let's write the second line. In the second line, we have to write like this: y equals, y is the second variable, y equals x minus y, first variable minus second variable. So what does this means? It is, now we know that our value of x is not 8, it is 15. So 15 minus, and the value of y is still 7. So the output will be 8 and the value of y will be 8. Okay. Now let's write the third line, and it is like this: x equals x minus y. Okay. Now let's see what does this says. When we get x here, it is not 8, it is 15. Still 15 minus, and now we can use the updated value of y, which is 8. And now it gives up 7, and we can see that now our value of x is 7. So we can say that these two values are swapped. So in order to check that, I'm going to output these two values. Let's run our program. Yes, get like this. Previously, the value of x was 8 and y was 7, and now it has interchanged. X is 7 and y is 8. So this is the end of today's video. So if you got something, and I'm really happy about that, and hope you enjoy and hope to see you in next video.